Today I'm doing a product video on Reacher R2 white noise machine and nightlight. It has 31 soothing sounds, a dimmable color changing light, and a sleep timer. There is a 1 hour, 2 hour, or 3 hour timer. Here's the power button. The sound is currently on fan for my daughter. You have the volume down or the volume up. You can change it to different sounds. It goes higher and higher as you get there. There's music. The sound of the womb, the heartbeat, birds. This is the fan. There's different types of fans. This is the light. There's different colors that you can do too. Purple, blue, pink, different shades. Orange. Beats to different, goes different ways. And then of course the timer. You can just leave it and it'll go all night long. That's what I do for my daughter. The blue light stays on all night long, and then she has the sound of the fan, and it's been working very well for her since we got it. I'm definitely impressed with it. The sound quality, the different options, and the strength of the light. It's definitely a very good product.